Howdy, and welcome to another episode of Let's Make an RPG Game. So it's jam time, which means that the RPG maker community I belong to actually has their usual list of monthly and yearly and annually and one-time jams, and usually I participate in one that's called the RTP 10-day jam. Because it's just making it, all this is, you have 10 days to make a silly game just using the assets and everything that comes in with the engine. So I started on it, so I'll show you what I've got so far. Okay, so let's just say I've got the player sitting here and a blank screen, and so we've got this bit of code here, and as you can see, you change the transparency, and then it fades the screen out, a bit of dialogue shows up, then transfers the player to house 3, fades the screen in, switches over to here so it stops all that immediately, and then turns the transparency on. Then it turns the transparency off, and then you get it as a variable. Okay, and then what you got here, player moves left 3 spaces, or 3 tiles, has an exclamation point, waits 60 seconds, bunch of dialogue here. The screen fades out, we'll transfer the player to another map, fade in, a bit more dialogue, and then it switches to here and it stops the whole process. So before I play test all that, you're going to watch me do something real quick, because when we get our town, we need to find a place to put the bar. Which is, let's see, where should we put the bar? Here we go. Bar is right here. And we create a door here. Voila. The bar. Set that up right like that. Click apply, and there we go. Okay, so I will be right back, and we'll see this whole playtest. Okay, so here we've got the start of it, as you can see. And of course, we get the first start of the dialogue. And some more dialogue, what's going on, there's nothing here. I'm sorry, I've been busy this month, so I couldn't really find time to find all the bugs in the game, so I now want you to find them. Here we go, see? And then we're in the town. Here comes the first thing. It says you found 1 error. And I did put a few things in the bar. I'm going to show you that right now. Sorry, the bar's closed, but I just walked in the door and you still have a customer at the bar. Sorry, the bar is closed. Then the character of the dev pops up again. And that's it. That's what I've got so far. So that's just a little bit of what I got so far. Okay, there we go. So let's have Reed say something real quick here. Alright. We'll have him speak to the dev. Dev does not actually have a walking sprite, he just has a face. And we'll have the dev say something like, so I'm going to quick do something here. So I'm going to do Howdy page. I'm going to paste the page. Search as a cell switch A, and I'm just going to select all, wipe it out. And we're going to set this to parallel process, and I'll show you why in a second. Because what we're going to do is we're going to go here, we're going to put a balloon icon above him, which is EV6. And we're going to put that. Go back to page 1. The variable glitches. Add another one. Create a pop-up text, or otherwise known as a toast text. If you found glitches. There you go. That click up, then we get a system, so it goes automatically to the next page. Otherwise, you can just kill up all the glitches you want just off of him. And there you go. Alright, so let's play test this now. So we got the opening scene. Goes out to here. Play from start to finish, and then I'll end the video. Out. Go find the first glitch. I think I may actually switch it so that doesn't happen. Alright, but you know, at least for that one. Or I may change it to something else. Go here. And then we find the second glitch. One, two glitches. And then of course the bar, and that's it. So that's what I have for you so far. I hope so far done. I'm gonna keep working on it. So the next episode will be some more done on it. Until then, peace out, stay frosty, do good in the world, and remember, the road is where the stories are. See you in the next one.